In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Q&A feature in Google Slides, a handy tool for engaging your audience during presentations. Let's dive right in to make your next presentation more interactive and informative. First up, we need to head over to Google Slides. So fire up your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already signed in, the next step is to log into your Google account. This will give you access to all your saved presentations and the full suite of Google Slides features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage, where you can either open an existing presentation or start fresh. Now, if you're creating a new presentation, you have a couple of options. Click on Blank Presentation to start from scratch, or select one of the available templates to give your slides a professional look right out of the gate. Choose whichever option suits your needs for the presentation at hand. Once you have your presentation open, it's time to put it into slideshow mode to enable the Q&A feature. Look for the slideshow button, usually found on the top right of the screen, and click on it. Entering slideshow mode is an important step as it transitions your slides for the audience's view. To access the Q&A feature, you need to switch to presenter view. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite simple. Once you're in slideshow mode, a drop-down menu will appear. Click on Presenter View. This is where the magic happens. In Presenter View, not only will you be able to see your slides as they are being presented to the audience, but you'll also have access to speaker notes and the audience tools. Now, let's focus on the Q&A feature itself. Within the Presenter View, you'll see an option labeled Audience Tools. Click on it. This is your gateway to engaging with your audience in real time. With the Audience Tools window open, turn on the Q&A feature. What this does is it provides your audience with a link that they can use to submit questions during your presentation. You can share this link through an on-screen message or via direct communication to ensure your audience knows how to participate. The beauty of this feature is that it allows your listeners to submit questions at any point during your presentation, and you can view them as they come in. You can address these questions at the end of your talk or throughout your presentation, depending on your style and preference. This ensures that your session is not just a one-way dialogue, but an interactive exchange, making your presentation more engaging and informative. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up and utilized the Q&A feature in Google Slides. Hopefully this makes your presentations more interactive and enjoyable for everyone involved. Happy presenting!